Ayo, what's up, guys, girls? What's going on, everybody? How are you all doing here tonight? My TTG fam, what's up? What's up? What's up? Oh, sorry about that, guys. Let me turn off my other speaker. There we go. I think we're good now. Guys, what's up, everybody? How are you all doing here today? I hope everyone had a wonderful, enjoyable, relaxing weekend and are ready to get the week started. Man, do we have one hell of a live stream in store for you guys here tonight, because right here on this live stream tonight, I am going to be giving away a brand new Tesla Model 3 or $30,000 cash to one lucky TTG member right here on this YouTube channel. I can't wait. I'm excited. We do this every time TTG gets 300 new members. We give back to all of our members. Okay, we give back. I love it. I love doing all this stuff with our members. We do a lot of different things with our members. We give away, laptops. We do like $100 giveaways, like just for fun, just to keep things fun with our members. It's just a lot of fun. Okay. And tonight on this live stream right here on this YouTube channel live, one lucky person is going to have their lives changed, because I'm giving them a brand new Tesla Model 3 or $30,000 cold hard cash. And we have some very important trading related stuff to talk about, guys. Listen, the giveaways and the Teslas and the 30 grand, that's all cool and fun. But what's even more fun is being able to dive in, go over some educational stuff, and talk about how we're going to make money in the markets today. Futures have opened up. So if you guys have been following my live stream now for a little while, Friday, I specifically was talking to you guys about Friday that the way the futures market opened Sunday night was going to be very, very important. It was going to be very important because it's going to be able to help us dictate, does that 50-day moving average on the S&P hold? Okay. Does the 50-day on the SPY hold? So far, so good. We're gapping up just less than a full percentage point. We're up about like 9/10 of a percentage point. So just under a full percentage point gap up on the S&P. NASDAQ futures obviously gapping up as well. So far, so good at that 50-day moving average. But I'm going to break down for you guys on this live stream my entire outlook for the rest of the week. What are some external factors, some global macroeconomic headlines that you guys should be paying attention to as we get into the new week that could potentially move markets? What are the support and resistance levels that we need to be looking for with regards to the SPY and the NASDAQ? And we're going to keep an eye on all of those things. We're going to break it all down here tonight on this live stream. So you guys are in store for one hell of a treat. It's going to be an awesome live stream. Thanks for joining me here today. If you guys are brand new to the channel, we are streaming live right now on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Twitch. Welcome to everyone that's joining me on all the different social media channels. If this is your very first time on a TTG Live, awesome. Okay, you guys picked one hell of a live to join. First thing you want to do is subscribe and turn on your notifications. You never want to miss out on any one of these live streams, guys, because on every single one of these live streams, my goal is to help make you a better trader. On every single one of these lives, I will share with you golden nuggets of information, technical lessons, mental lessons on trading stocks, options, day trading, swing trading. I share with you guys lessons on this channel totally for free. So you want to make sure you subscribe and turn on those notifications. My name is Michael Edward. I am the head trader at True Trading Group. Began my career working for a firm in New York City where they did not let me touch a dollar of their money until I went through their educational training program. I have since taken that education that I've received working at a fund in New York City. I've simplified it. I've created a curriculum that's available to all of our TTG members that helps teach them how to trade stocks and options. And I share with you on each and every single one of these live streams little golden nuggets and pieces of information from that education I shared right here for you guys on this YouTube channel totally for free. And tonight, not only are we going to talk about what I think the markets are going to do for the rest of the week, how I'm going to make money this week, the levels I'm looking at in the overall markets, but we're also giving away a brand new Tesla Model 3 or $30,000 cash. I cannot wait. I'm so excited. I love doing this stuff. It's crazy. Like all day today, I'm just like amped up, like, oh man, it's Tesla giveaway day. It's Tesla giveaway day. Like, I get so excited. I hope you guys are just as excited. Smash that like button if you guys haven't done so already. If you're excited to have a chance to win $30,000 or a Tesla, I want you guys to smash that like button right now. what I want to do before I get started. How many of my TG members enjoyed Weedapalooza? Weedapalooza was yesterday. It was Saturday. Weedapalooza was part one of a two-part event, okay, where Jason, the Wolf of Weed Street, Spatafor, who's one of our mods in True Trading Group, who is the cannabis connoisseur, the expert in the cannabis space, who's been ripping those cannabis stocks to shreds, is hosting a two-part event. Part one was yesterday from 12 p.m. Eastern to 2 p.m. Eastern. Part two is going to be next Saturday, 2 p.m. Eastern. 12 p.m. Eastern to 2 p.m. Eastern. That talks about how to trade the Ides of March in the cannabis space, what the new political climate means for the cannabis sector, and how you guys can capitalize on what is to be some new regulation, or I should say ease of regulation in the cannabis sector, what that means for the space, where you should be positioned, what companies you guys should be investing in, and what are some of the companies that we like the best at True Trading Group. If you are a THD member and you attended the Weedapalooza event, I want you to sound off in chat right now. Tell me if you guys enjoyed it. Tell me if it was helpful. Tell me if you think that it was worth your time and energy. Tell me, guys, sound off in chat. I want to know right now if you enjoyed Weedapalooza. I've gotten a lot of comments on social media. A lot of people were sending us messages like, oh my God, Weedapalooza was awesome. Guys, it was totally free for all of our TTG members. You just had to be a member of True Trading Group by yesterday. Everyone that was a member of TTG by yesterday was able to attend that Weedapalooza event today. That was part one. Now, part two is going to be next Saturday. So if you guys enjoyed yesterday, just wait. We have even more in store for you next week. So guys, I hope you enjoyed Weedapalooza. We do this often. So for those of you that are not members, on a monthly basis, we conduct various workshops, webinars, and live events in True Trading Group where myself and the other moderators will cover various trading topics. Okay, whether it's day trading, swing trading, stocks, options, whatever, you name it. We covered a bunch of different topics every single month in live workshops and webinars. And Weedapalooza was one that we just did yesterday. And a lot of our members really enjoyed it. Got a lot of really good information. I hope it helps set you guys up, set your portfolios up for many years to come with an industry that we at TTG are very bullish on in the coming years. So hope that was helpful. Hope you guys got some good value from it. And I hope you guys feel more confident being more active and taking advantage to capitalize in the cannabis space. Okay. So awesome. Loved it. I got so many comments from you people. So I'm glad to see so many people enjoyed it. Okay. So guys, listen, before we get into the night, like I said, we have a lot to do. We're doing a lot tonight. We're giving away, like I said, the Tesla 30 grand. We're going over the stock market outlook, but listen, every one of these live streams, I tell you guys to, get your butts in chat, it's, education, get your butts in chat. It's something that I tell people all the time in TTG and on these live streams. And a lot of you do it. A lot of you do get your butts in chat, and we capitalize on a lot of the action, a lot of the volatility, but the volatility that we saw to finish the month of February was insane. February was an extremely volatile month. We had a lot of big up days, a lot of big down days. We had gap downs, we had gap ups, we had new all-time highs. We had 1% or more pullbacks in a single day. Just a lot of, just a lot of volatility. I think February was really the definition of volatility, but that volatility is a wonderful thing for active traders. Investors, long-term investors don't like it. Active traders love it. When I can get a 10-point move in the SPY, or you can get GameStop that rallies 100 points in a single day, or you can get the cannabis sector or the EV sector or the crypto sector, and these stocks are going absolutely crazy. It's a trader's dream. It is a trader's dream. The home runs and the big wins have been plentiful. The losses have been manageable due to really good risk management. And this volatility is something that I expect to continue through 2021 as a lot of global macro headlines are going to start to take center stage. You've got the rising treasury yields. You've got the Federal Reserve is going to be obviously talking about inflation, and you've got the potential of another stimulus package coming through Congress. I mean, there's just a lot of different headlines. You've got some action going on again in the Middle East. You've got oil prices rising. There's just a lot of different global macro geopolitical, things and headlines that could potentially move markets in the next couple of months. And all while we are trying to move forward and kind of get to the end of COVID. More people are being vaccinated. COVID numbers are going down, but then you have these variant COVID strains that you got to keep an eye on. There's so much going on that I expect this volatility here in the next several months to continue. And I think that especially in this type of environment, it's even more important, I think, than ever before for you to be a diversified trader, for you to have confidence being long, have confidence being short, have confidence trading in small caps and mid caps, trading large caps. If you don't have the account size to trade large caps, have the confidence to understand the education, the risk management to be able to trade options in those large caps, to be able to take advantage of the opportunities that are present every single day. Every single day, there is tremendous opportunity in the markets, literally every single day. You just have to know where to find it, and you can't be scared of when you identify it. A lot of people will see an opportunity in like a 50 or 70 or $100 stock, and they get scared of it. No need for you guys to be scared of a higher price stock, or if they see an opportunity in a cheap, volatile, small cap stock, but they're scared of the price action. No need to be scared of it, guys. Get yourselves a professional education. It'll make you guys feel more comfortable in trading multiple asset classes and different styles and strategies. And that's what being a real trader is all about. I like to teach all my teaching members to be diversified. I like to, so many members that are on this live stream right now, maybe never traded an option a day in their lives prior to joining True Trading Group. So many of them maybe never traded a real fast moving small cap a day in their lives before they joined TTG. So many of them maybe never shorted a stock before joining TTG. So many of them maybe never understood the, divergence or maybe how, or correlation trades or those type of things. So many people maybe never even understood something like that, but are now able to implement those type of trades on a daily basis because of the education that they've got in True Trading Group. And in this market environment, when you have, the Dow's up 400 points one day, it's down 600 the next. If that volatility continues, you can have 1,000, 1,200, 15-point down days, followed by 1,000-point up days. You guys remember in the month of March. Now, listen, I don't think we're going to have volatility like we had in March. Last March, a year ago, to be exact, when the COVID crash began. I don't think we're going to have that type of volatility. That's the most volatility I've ever seen in my entire trading career, even more volatile than 2008, which was, the subprime mortgage crisis. I traded through that, and that volatility was nuts too. But nothing was more volatile than what I saw during the COVID crash. But I think it's just important for you guys to be able to benefit and to, like, just in the last week. In the last week, I've made a lot of money to the short side. I mean, a lot of money to the short side. I shorted Riot. I made a ton of money on Riot short. I shorted a couple of the small caps that ran out of steam and ended up selling off. I've made a lot of money to the short side in the last like week, I'd say. And prior to that, it was mostly to the long side, but you've got to be diversified. You've got to be able to identify opportunities in multiple places. And that's what being a real trader, I think, is all about. So before I get into tonight, okay, I want to know if you've never been on a live stream before from True Trading Group, this is your first TTG live stream, I want to know about it. I want you to type the letter I in chat right now if this is your very first TTG live stream. Okay, if this is your first TTG live stream, I want you to type the letter I in chat right now. Okay, wow, that's a lot of letter I's. I can't even keep up with all the people that are typing the letter I in chat right now. I'll try to grab a few of them. Tim Barker, Big Oof, KODC, Jack Thrasher, Market Tyro, Roger Belanger, Eric Dent, Mandir Punya, John Leonard, Betty Gwynn, David, Sylvester A, Eric Figueroa, Naslin Muhammad, George Grigg, Lovey Sadu, 82, Sticks 82, Jeffrey Stone, Doge Musk, Rocco Mass, Roland Isaac, Robert Blake, Chris Principe, Charles Mowry, Nathan, Fareed Ali, Cali NYC, Tony Nguyen, Matthew Walker, Michael L, Brian Upperman, Carm Dial, Devin D, wow, Frank N, Carolyn Price, Jim Emery, Preston Furlong, Ozzy, Nick, Todd, Andra. Oh my God, there's so many. I can't even keep up. I can't even keep up. My goodness. I know I've probably missed 1,000 of you that are typing. Guys, welcome. Seriously, I can't even keep up. There's so many letter I's coming through in chat right now. I can't even keep up. This is crazy. Dippin' Dolphin. I can't even keep up. It's going so fast. I can't even read this quickly. My God. Guys, seriously, welcome. Everyone that just typed the letter I in chat right now, welcome. Congratulations for finding the Ttg live stream. I don't know if you found it on social media or Robert Blake, every night someone changes their name to a new serial killer. I know. This is crazy. Incredible. So many letter I's, guys. Welcome all of you. Seriously, I love seeing so many new faces joining the TT live stream. I love it. You know, my goal is to help make you guys a better trader. I give you free information on this YouTube channel on a daily basis. So make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications. But if you guys are brand new here, it's your first time, congratulations. You guys won. Seriously, you guys won. You really did. You guys won. No bullshit. You know, it's really, you know, this live stream is all about education. It's not about, ooh, look at me. You know, it's all about the education. It's all about teaching you guys the same education that I received when I worked at a fund in New York City. You know, the information that they taught me, I simplify it. I just throw it right back to my teaching members in a full curriculum with courses. But on the live streams, I give you guys golden nuggets of information on every single one. So welcome. All right. Welcome, guys. Now, tonight's a very, very special live stream because we are literally going to change someone's life for the better tonight, right here, by giving them a brand new Tesla Model 3 or $30,000 cash, their choice. Okay, the winner can choose brand new Tesla, $30,000 cash. It's up to the winner. Okay, so I'm excited. I know Adam's excited. Adam, for those that don't know, we have a lot of new faces here. Adam's my business partner and co-founder of True Trading Group. He'll come on the live stream with me just in a little while to help me give away that Tesla. We're going to spin the wheel. We're going to land on one lucky member's name, and then we will obviously that person will be able to choose either a brand new Tesla or $30,000 cash. But before we get into that, I want to give some time for people to log on. Okay, this is a big live stream tonight. I want to give time for people to log on. I'm going to start off this live stream with a 15 to 20 minute Q&A. Okay. We also have a lot of new people that are on the live stream tonight. So I want to give some people an opportunity to ask me questions, whatever it is, trading related, whether it's stocks, options, day trading, whatever, mental lessons, technical lessons. Go ahead, guys, fire away, whether it's you're a brand new person, you're a newbie, you're experienced, whatever. Guys, don't be shy. If you are a newbie, I encourage questions. Okay. I encourage questions. Do not be shy if you are a newbie. There's no such thing as a stupid question. I've been doing this for about 17 years, but I also had a day one as well. And if I didn't have someone that was going to answer my questions, I certainly would not be the trader that I am today. So if you guys have questions, go ahead, fire away. I'm here for you while we get some time for people to log on, and then we will dive into the Tesla 30K giveaway and then my stock market outlook for the rest of the week. If we have TD or E-Trade and not the option to short the stock, do you think puts is a good idea for beginners with small experience in options? Thank you. No. No, I do not think it's a good idea if you have no experience. Options are a completely different animal than stocks. I do not want anyone that has no education on options whatsoever to buy options without knowing how options actually work. One of the biggest mistakes that inexperienced traders make is that they say to themselves, well, I've got a small account. I can't short this stock, but I could buy an option. The option's cheaper. Let me buy the option. And they do that not really ever understanding the risk they're taking on that trade. It is very, very possible for you to lose 50, 60, 70% on an option trade. Yes, it's just as equally as possible for you to make 100, 200% on an option trade. Options come with much bigger reward, but also much bigger risk than an individual stock. So if you do not understand that, my advice to you would be to stay away from options until you learn how options trade. There's an entire section in the TTG courses. There's beginner options, like an intro to options, and then there's an advanced options course. You guys I want to make sure, and I tell all my TTG members this, do not start trading options before you go through at least the beginner introduction to options course. That course will walk you guys through how to select which option contracts you want to buy, what expiration date, what strike price, what determines the price movement and fluctuation and the price of an option contract, when is the right time to go in the money, out of the money, at the money. Some of these things might be kind of over your head, but don't worry, you'll learn all this in the courses. You will get to understand time decay, because when you're trading an option, you don't just have to get the direction right. You got to get the direction and the timing correct. So options are a very, very different animal than trading individual stocks. So I don't want to see you guys, you can really blow your account up trading options if you don't know what you're doing. So my advice to you would be to stay away from options if you're inexperienced beginner until you go through the beginner options course, so you understand the risk, so you can now manage that risk and place those trades in a much more responsible or safer type of way, because you now understand the actual risk that is being carried on that trade. Okay. Next question. How long now have you been in the game? Biggest lesson. Oh, Brooks. I started trading, I'd say about 16 or 17 years ago. My biggest lesson in the game, I think for me, what really kind of changed my trading the most was, I'll give you a quote. Now, this is a quote that I got from my mentor, who was my boss at the time, that, you know, the fund that I was working at in New York City. If it wasn't for this guy, I definitely would not be the trader that I am today. I'm humble enough to say that I didn't figure this stuff out on my own. I had amazing traders that were my mentor. Even aside from just, my boss at the time and my mentor, there were other really good traders at the fund that I was able to get a lot of education and experience from, and a lot of questions that were answered. And I think that for me, like early in my trading career, I never really had a problem with big wins. Okay. A lot of my wins were big, but I also had really big losses. And I was a better trader than my P&L was showing, because when I was wrong, I was losing so much money when I was wrong. And that really would affect my P&L. And what really changed the game for me was when I started to get my losses under control. Nothing changed my winners. My winners didn't get any bigger. My losses just got smaller. And then all of a sudden my P&L starts to increase. So a quote that really has stuck with me forever, and I'll probably carry this till the day I die, and I share this quote with all my teaching members, is great traders are more concerned with how much they're going to lose if they're wrong. Struggling traders are obsessed with how much they're going to make if they're right. And that quote has really, really changed my entire mindset. And that was kind of the base foundation of my risk management. And I'll tell you guys this now, and any of my teaching members, you guys can comment in chat if you agree with me. But one of my biggest strengths as a trader, in my opinion, my risk management and my patience is phenomenal. I think it's my strengths as a trader, to be completely honest with you. My teaching members, I think you guys would agree with me. If you do, comment in chat. If you think my strength is something else, comment in chat. But it wasn't always that way. It wasn't always that way. I used to be a very emotional trader. I used to kind of jump the gun when I was younger, and I used to kind of refuse to admit that I was wrong. I used to revenge trade, and it used to get me into a lot of trouble, but I was a better trader than what my P&L was showing. And once I was able to get my risk management under control, that's when things changed for me. And I think that the biggest lesson for me was to stop focusing on, or stop being obsessed with how much money am I going to make if I'm right. Stop worrying about that, because you can't control how much money you're going to make if you're right. You do not know how far a stock is going to go. You don't. If I buy a stock at $10, I might think it's going to 12 or 13, but maybe it only goes to 11, 11.50. Maybe it goes to 15, 16, 17. I don't know. Nobody knows. Nobody really knows where the stock's going to go. But when I buy a stock, I have multiple profit targets, right? So when I buy a stock, I sell in pieces. So I have profit target 1, profit target 2, and profit target 3. And what I'll do is I'll sell 25% of my position at profit target 1, 50% at profit target 2, 25% at profit target 3. Now, when I'm in a trade, I don't know if I'm going to necessarily get to profit target 3. It depends on how much follow through momentum the stock has. Sometimes the stock only gets to profit target 2. Sometimes it only gets to profit target 1. So I can't control how much money I'm going to make if I'm right. But what I can control, right down to the dollar, is how much money I'm going to lose if I'm wrong. Because if I say to myself, I'm buying the stock at 10, my stop loss is 950. If I buy 10,000 shares, I know if I'm getting stopped out at 950, I know I'm losing $5,000. And if I stick to that every single trade, I can control my risk. I can't control my upside. So as traders, everybody is so obsessed with making money. But when you're fixated on that making money part, you start to lose focus and control on the losing money part. And the losing money part of trading is something that everybody needs to be able to understand and need to get that down, because that's what will keep you in the game. That's what will keep you in the game. Losing is part of trading. There's no way around it. You are going to make losing trades. That is inevitable. There's no way around it. It's part of trading. Get used to it. So if we know that losing is part of trading, we also know that you then, in order to be a good trader, you need to learn how to lose the right way. You got to learn how to lose properly. Some people might be like, what the hell is this guy talking about? Lose properly. Lose properly by meaning, okay, if my risk is $5,000 on the trade, lose $5,000. Don't lose 7. If you're only willing to risk $500 on a trade, lose 500 when you're wrong. Don't lose 1,100, because you can't let one losing trade completely wipe out 2 or 3 winners. If you do that, you will never be consistently profitable. Guys, look at the sheer math. Look at the sheer math. If you make 3 winning trades and you make 500, 500, 500, you make 1 losing trade, you lose 1,500. How are you ever going to be profitable that way? You are a 75% win rate trader. You're 3 for 4. 75% accuracy, which is phenomenal. That's phenomenal. My accuracy is in like the mid 70s. That's me. Okay, I'm like 76 or 77% right now, something like that. So you can be a 75% win rate trader and be break even? That's insane. That means now, in order for you to become a consistently profitable trader, you need to be right 80% of the time, 82% of the time. You're putting a lot of pressure on yourself, guys. A lot of pressure on yourself. That's why you need to learn how to lose properly, because if you're going to make 500 when you're right, you can't lose 600 when you're wrong. You can't lose 7, 8, 9, 1,000 if you're wrong, if you're only making 500 when you're right. Your average winning trade should be larger than your average losing trade. And if it's not, you really got to worry about your risk management and kind of focusing more so on that. I know that was kind of a long-winded answer, but it's an important topic, and I hope that's something that makes sense to a lot of people. Next question. How do you stop yourself overtrading? How you control yourself? Okay. Oh my God, Shug Cousin. That's hilarious that you put your name as Shug Cousin. I love that you put your name as Shug's Cousin. That's incredible. Oh, that's incredible. How do I stop myself from overtrading? Okay, so I think it's different for an inexperienced trader and an experienced trader, okay? Because an experienced trader, when you're hot, push. If you're an experienced trader, if you're hot, push, man. Keep going. Push when you're hot. When I'm hot, I push. Okay? I push when I'm hot. I start to increase my risk. I start to go after, like, when I'm hot, I push. But as an inexperienced trader, let me break down the law of averages for you. I want you to understand something. This mindset will help you. My eyebrows are amazing. Why my eyebrows? What's wrong with my eyebrows? They're just regular eyebrows, man. What's wrong with my eyebrows? Anyway. I lost my train of thought. What the hell was I talking about? What the hell was I talking about, guys? What do I think about Dogecoin? It's a joke. Seriously, I forgot what I was talking about for a second. Adam, pull up that question. Oh, law of averages. Thank you, guys. Law of averages. Thank you. No, not risk. Not risk. That was last question. Law of averages. Law of averages. How to not overtrade. Okay, guys, listen. Think of it this way. I'm going to change your perspective for a second, okay? Law of averages. This can help you stop overtrading. Law of averages, right? Let's say you're an inexperienced trader or you're a novice trader. Let's say your win rate is 58%, making up a number. Let's say your win rate is 50%, right? Okay. Let's go about your trading day. You start the day. You are 2 for 2 to start the day, right? Maybe now you're 3 for 3 to start the day. If you're 3 for 3 to start the day, what's your win rate? 100%, right? 100%. But what's your win rate over an extended period of time? 58%, right? 58%. So the law of averages are going to tell you that if you're a 100% win rate, and let's say it's 11:30 in the morning, okay, you're 3 for 3 in the morning, and you're like, I don't want to overtrade in the afternoon and give back all my profits. Okay, well, think about the law of averages. If your win rate is 58%, but you're 100% so far in the morning, the law of averages are going to tell you that the more you trade in the afternoon, the greater chance you have of moving back down to 58%. So you have a much greater chance, according to the law of averages, going 3 for 6 than you do going 6 for 6. If you start the morning 3 for 3, the law of averages will tell you there's a higher probability of you going 3 for 6 than you going 6 for 6. Law of averages, right? Law of averages. Now, again, this is not necessarily something that I would suggest to an experienced trader because I don't do this. When I'm hot, I push, okay? But if you're an inexperienced trader and you struggle a lot with over trading, this mindset can help prevent you from over trading. When you think of it this way, it'll help you protect your profits a little bit more. The other thing, this is a little trick you guys can implement in your trading, is if you have a good morning, whatever is a good morning for you, everybody has their own definition of a good morning. $100 might be good for somebody else. 1,000 might be good for somebody else. 10,000 might be good for somebody else. Whatever you consider a good morning, okay? Whatever you consider a good morning, if you hit that and you're like, oh, you know, I want to keep trading, but I don't want to overtrade, set a hard 50% stop on your P&L. Okay. So if $1,000 is a good morning for you, cool. Now, if you're going to keep trading, go for it. But if you find you're only up now 500, you're done for the day. That's it. Shut your computer down, walk away up $500. Set a hard 50% stop on your P&L for the rest of the day. That'll also help prevent you from overtrading and help give back a lot of your profits. The other trick you guys can implement is reduce your risk per trade. Let's say your average risk per trade is $100. You're comfortable risking $100 per trade. That's your risk. Okay. If you have a good morning and you're going to continue to trade now in the afternoon, instead of risking $100 a trade, risk 50, risk 70. Okay. Reduce your risk per trade. That'll also help you protect your morning profits and help prevent you from over trading. Okay. Some helpful tips that I give to my Ttg members. This is some golden nuggets of information for you guys. Okay, somebody asked, I just started trading and I work a full-time job. Is it really possible to be successful at trading and have a full-time job? Woo! Get ready for this. I'm not even going to answer the question. I'm going to let my fam answer the question. So my Ttg fam, somebody just asked, I just started trading, but I work a full-time job. Is it really possible to be successful at trading or working a full-time job? My Ttg members, if you are killing it in True Trading Group, if you guys are making money, and you work a full-time job, type the letter I in chat right now. So the person that just asked that question, pay attention to how many people are about to comment in chat right now. If you are not a member of True Trading Group and you are concerned because you work a full-time job, pay attention to how many people are commenting in chat right now. These are all True Trading Group members. These are current TTG members that are making money with TTG while still working a full-time job. See how many people are commenting. The reason why so many people are able to capitalize and still make money with True Trading Group by working a full-time job, multiple reasons. First, we implement various trading styles in True Trading Group. Okay, TTG is not just me. It's not just Michael Edward. It's okay. There's me and there's 6 moderators that are calling out trades in True Trading Group, each specializing in their own style and strategy. We do day trading. We do swing trading. We do options. Okay, we implement all these different types of trading styles: trend continuation, trend reversal, high volatility, low volatility. Okay, short-term swing trading, long-term swing trading, long-term investing. All of these different type of trading styles, you have moderators in chat that are calling out these type of trades. So even if you don't like day trading, or you don't like swing trading, or you don't like small caps, or you don't like options, or you don't like large caps, whatever, there's something there for you in True Trading Group. That's reason number one. Reason number two, we have a mobile app. We have a mobile app for all of our members that they get access to that allows you to download on your mobile device. It'll let you be in chat even if you're not in front of your computer. So in chat during the day, we share our screen with you. The moderators, we share our screens. So you see what we see. But we're also live on the microphone. We're telling you what we see throughout the day, where we see opportunity. We tell you when we're going to buy a stock before we buy it. So like before I actually buy a stock during the day, I come on the microphone, I tell everybody that I'm about to buy the stock and what price I'm about to buy it at. And I tell them where my stop loss is. I tell them where my take profits are going to be. So it's very easy for people to follow along with our trades throughout the day because we walk people through the entire trade and the entire game plan live on the microphone in real time. Through the mobile app, you'll actually be able to listen to that audio analysis, even though you're not in front of your computer. And the best part about the mobile app, you get a real-time push notification whenever a trade alert is sent. So whenever a moderator enters or exits a trade, a real-time push notification will come through on your mobile app. This makes it easy for you guys to follow along with what it is that we're doing in chat, even if you are on a conference call, you're on the golf course, you're at your kid's soccer game, whatever it is, whatever you guys have going on, you're sitting in your cubicle, whatever, all right? Maybe you're working from home, whatever, okay? This allows you to still be able to benefit and follow along with what it is that we're doing in True Trading Group, okay? There's a lot of people that are asking how to become a full-time member. I'll just share with you guys. Listen, for those of you that are asking on how to become a member, our membership is usually $2,212 for the year. But tonight on this live stream until midnight, so you got about 3 hours left, there's a 38% discount that you can get that'll bring the price of the membership all the way down to just $1,367. That includes the chat room, the trade alerts, the mobile app, Benzinga Pro, real-time news feed, Trading View, Trading View's pro charting software, Trade Ideas Scanner, real-time level 1, full book level 2, options data, a trade simulator, a stock screener. All of that is included with your membership. Our entire curriculum, all of our courses. You don't sign up, then all of a sudden there's these special VIP courses that cost more money. None of that bullshit. When you guys sign up, you get access to every single thing we have. You get access to the entire video library, access to all live webinars and workshops, access to a private study group session. And anyone that signs up tonight by midnight will also get a free laptop. Okay, and either an Asus, a Dell, Lenovo, Chromebook. You guys will get a free laptop. Anyone that signs up tonight by midnight by using the coupon code TTG121. Use coupon code TTG121. You get a 38% discount. That'll get you down to that $1,367 price point. You're going to get a free laptop and a money-back guarantee. Okay, and a money-back guarantee, and I'll tell you that I'll explain, be a little bit more detailed. If you sign up with that coupon code by midnight tonight, if you go through all our courses, you pass all the quizzes at the end of our courses, and you attend one of our private study groups, you put in some effort, put in some energy to try to learn this skill. If you do those three things, go through the courses, all the courses, pass all the quizzes at the end of the courses, and attend one of our private study groups. If you do those three things and still don't make back the $1,367 at least one time throughout the year of your membership, I'll give you all your money back. I'll give you a full refund, the full $1,367. If you don't make that back one time in at least the 1 year of your membership, I'll give you all that money back. Okay, I'll give you all that money back. That's how much I believe this can and will work for you. Okay. There is a 7-day trial, guys. There is a 7-day trial. If you guys are interested in that, go to ttgthree.com. It's a one-time payment of just $3. That's it. No auto renew, no reoccurring payment. It's just a one-time payment of $3. That's less than a cup of coffee. If you guys sign up for the trial today, you get 7-day access to our member dashboard. You get 3-day access to our trading chat room, which starts tomorrow. So anyone that signs up today for the trial, you'll be able to come into chat Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You're also going to get access to 3 sample trial courses included with your membership. Those courses are probably easily worth a few $100. They're totally free, included in the trial when you sign up for $3. You can upgrade to a full membership at any time during the trial, but you're under no obligation to do so. Go to ttgthree.com. Again, that's ttgthree.com to join us for that 7-day trial. All right. So that's that. Now we got a lot of stuff to get into. Okay. We got a lot of stuff to get into here tonight, guys. All right. We've got to go over the stock market, the weekly outlook. Where am I seeing my support levels? Where's my resistance levels? What do I think the market's going to do this week? How I plan on capitalizing from it. And then we're changing somebody's life tonight for the better, baby. I cannot wait. We're going to give away a brand new Tesla Model 3 or $30,000 cash right here on this live stream. Smash that like button, baby. Smash that like button. Turn that thumb blue if you guys are excited to have a chance to win 30 grand or a brand new Tesla Model 3. Before I get into the giveaway, more education, baby. Let's get to the charts. Let's go over. Okay, I want to go over with you guys now, okay, the weekly outlook for what I'm looking at here this week, okay? In order to do so, what I want to do, I want to do a quick check. I want to do a quick check in on the futures. Okay, futures are now up almost a full percentage point. Futures are almost up a full percentage point. We're at 38.45 on the S&P futures. We're at 38.45 on the S&P futures. So let's pull up the charts, all right? And let's go over the SPY and let's talk about levels, support, resistance, game plan. Let's do it. To the charts we go. All right, here we go, guys. So here we go. Here we have the SPY. Now, as I zoom this in, one thing will become very evident, very clear for you, and that is that this blue line on my screen is a significant level of support, okay? This blue line on my screen is your 50-day moving average, okay? This is your 50-day moving average on the S&P, okay? Or on the SPY, I should say. The SPY is the ETF that tracks the S&P 500. This level is very important. The other thing that you will notice is we have very, very high volume. Very high volume on this 2-day sell-off. Now on Friday, we violated that 50-day moving average and then got back above it, and I got into call options on Friday. Okay, I got into call options on Friday, 385 strikes. Next Friday's expiration, I was able to take a piece of that position off the table for a slight profit. But then later in the day, the market just felt very, very heavy. Okay, the market felt very, very heavy. Let me go to a 3-minute chart and show you guys kind of what I was talking about. Right here is where I went ahead and I bought SPY call options. Okay, I was able to take a piece of profit off the table up here, and then the markets just traded sideways on Friday. That was not a definitive or that this price action did not give me confidence that the low was going to hold. And but what I mean by low is this 50-day moving average. Right there was your 50-day moving average. So you see what I mean by how we broke the 50-day moving average, violated it, and then got right back above it. So I read that as a sign of strength. I read this as a higher low. So I read this as a higher low, and I got call options looking for the market to recover back up into this region. Okay, that's why I jumped in those call options on Friday. However, the markets felt very, very heavy. And what it felt like was just gravity. It literally just felt like gravity. Every single time it looked like the market was going to rally, we pull back. Looked like the market was going to rally, and then we pull back. Looks like the market was going to rally, and then we pull back. Then looks like the market's going to rally. And I'm like, okay, now we're going to finally go. And then the market pulls back. The market just felt very, very heavy on Friday. And I was not confident enough to hold those call options over the weekend without any type of confirmation that that low was in fact in place. And I still don't have confirmation that that low is in place. Now, it had the SPY on Friday gotten up into this region, I would have been very, very confident. I would have been very, very confident that that low had held. And I would have taken some profit off on my call options up in this region. And I would have held on to some over the weekend. And I would have looked for us to get back up into the 390s either tomorrow or Tuesday. But I did not ever get that type of confirmation. So I was not comfortable holding those calls over the weekend. I exited them a little bit before the close because I just did not like the way that the market was trading there. Felt very heavy. And I said to everybody in chat that Friday night, where those futures open is going to be crucial. Friday night, where those futures open is going to be crucial. And as I look at the futures market now, we're at 38.45. We're up 0.95%. So almost a full percentage point on the SPY, okay, or on the S&P futures, I should say. Almost a full percentage point, not quite. But that takes us up, guys. That takes us up to, let's see, 38, 384, 50, 384. So right now, if the SPY was to open right now, we'd be about right there. Okay. Would be right around 384.50, which is right there. Now, we really need to see what the markets do, okay, once the pre-market session opens. It's the overnight futures market. It's nice to see up a percentage point, but that has to hold. That has to hold. Okay. Now, overnight, you might wake up tomorrow morning and we might be back. We might be all the way back down here. If we open up all the way back down here, watch out below. Watch out below, because I think if this low breaks, if Friday's low gets broken, I think the SPY goes straight to 370. Okay. So let's go to a daily chart and let's talk about some levels now. Okay. Let's talk about some levels. If Friday's low breaks, there's Friday's low right there. I don't really see any key support until you get into this region. This region, 368 to 370, is going to be my next support level if Friday's low breaks. Friday's low breaks, look for 380 to be resistance. 380 will be the prior support level plus the 50-day moving average. It'll be prior support. Again, let me zoom this in, okay? If that low breaks, look for 380, which was support. Okay, support, and then this blue line is your 50-day moving average. That's going to become now resistance. It's been support for us for several months. It'll now act as resistance, and then you can look for the markets to continue lower. And then if we break that level, I think we have an easy move to the downside through the mid 370s that takes us down to 368 to 370. Where do I get those levels from? Well, let's take a look. Okay, let's take a look. I'm going to draw two lines, and the support level is going to be right in between it. Right there is going to be the support level I'm going to be looking for. Why? First and foremost, as we look left, you'll see a ton of support. Okay, you'll see a ton of support. Okay, you'll see a ton of support on that last previous pullback. And then as I look back even further, okay, as we look back even further, you'll start to see more support as I go back even further. So you see the support level? You guys see all this? Okay, you guys see all that? And then it was previously this area of resistance. So here's this little triple top resistance. So you had previous resistance. This used to be all-time highs. When we gapped above that level at the end of November, we gapped above that to all-time highs. It became support. It became support. It became support. It became support. Guys, this is a major level. This is a major level. And you want to know why else it's a major level? Because we're going to go from one major moving average to another. We're going to drop from the 50-day moving average. Okay? You drop from the 50-day moving average down to where? This purple line. What's the purple line? The purple line is your 100-day moving average. Now, the 100-day moving average has already proven to us that it's an area of support. As we look back left, what do you guys see? Okay, we briefly violated it in the end of October, recovered it quickly. That level held. I consider that the 100-day moving average held. Prior to that, there's another test, the 100-day moving average. That level held. So that 100 days, a clear area of support, and this line of prior highs then became support in the mid 360s, another clear area of support. Guys, listen, if the things I'm saying to you right now are a little over your head, If it sounds foreign to you, don't worry. Okay? Don't worry. Because all of this is covered in the courses. All of this is covered in the courses. Okay? You guys will get to learn this kind of stuff like the back of your hand. You guys see, how I'm going through these charts. I'm look at this level, look at this support, you guys will learn all this stuff in the courses. My THD fam, you guys all are able to now easily follow along with me when I break down these charts. If this is your first time joining a TG live stream, if you're an inexperienced trader, guys, don't worry. You'll get to learn this stuff like the back of your hand. If you are experienced, I hope you guys are enjoying the breakdown. And I always encourage other people's analysis and thought process on the markets and on these different levels. But these are my levels, guys. Okay. So again, tomorrow, I'm looking to see how the markets open up. I want to see where the SPY opens. Now let's draw some candles. If the SPY does this tomorrow, okay, you see this? If the SPY does this, if this is the candle that gets put in, let me actually make this green. Okay, so let's do this. If the SPY does this tomorrow, okay, I read that as a bullish sign. Okay, I read this as a bullish sign. Okay, if the SPY does this tomorrow, I read that as a bullish sign. Watch the volume. Do not be suckered in long on a low volume consolidation day. Okay, do not be suckered in on a low volume consolidation day. What do I mean by that? Let's say tomorrow looks like this. A little bit of a smaller green candle, okay? Something like that with a low volume bar, like a 60, 70 million share candle, something that looks like that, okay? Because then I think maybe we have 1 or 2 inside days, and then I think that level breaks, and I think we work our way down to 370. However, if you get 100, 125 million share day, and the SPY gets back to 385, 386, and gives you a candle that looks like that, then I think it's safe to get into call options and look for us to get back up into the 390s. Tomorrow is a very important day from a technical standpoint. As a technician, tomorrow is a very important day for me to determine within the next week, is my sentiment for next week bullish or is my sentiment bearish? Tomorrow is going to dictate everything that I'm going to be doing for the rest of the week. It's nice to see the futures are up a full percentage point now. Now, I would listen, if we open up tomorrow 385 on the SPY, I'm long all day long. We open up at 385 tomorrow. I'm looking to buy the first pullback the SPY gives me. I'll look for a pullback to 384, 383, stick a low, get long calls, look for that to push back to 386. And then by Tuesday, 387, 388, I'll look to buy that bounce all day long if we can gap up higher than where the futures are trading now. But if we open tomorrow below where the futures are now, let's say we open tomorrow like 382, 381, I'm short all day long. I'm looking to short the first bounce attempt that we get. Maybe we bounce to 383, run out of steam, roll back 382, 381, get myself in puts, work our way down, take some profit off on Friday's low, look for that low to break, watch us roll down to 370, hold some puts until Tuesday or Wednesday, maybe get some puts that expire next Monday or next Wednesday, give myself some time, but let the markets roll themselves down. So like I said, tomorrow is a very, very, very important day. That's going to dictate whether I'm going to be bullish or bearish for the rest of the week. All the more reason for you to get your butts in chat with me tomorrow, because tomorrow is going to dictate my entire trading plan for the rest of the week. We're at a very important level on the SPY. Very important level on SPY. Okay? So get your butts in chat. Join me tomorrow in chat. Trade with me, guys, through the volatility and the chaos that we have been experiencing here over, what has been now several months. Several months now. Okay? So, guys, that just about does it there for our stock market outlook. And again, I'm just going to reiterate to you guys, in True Trading Group, okay, we are not just day traders. It's not just me. We do day trading. We do swing trading. We do shorting. We do long-term investing. We trade options. There is something in True Trading Group for everybody. There are 6 different moderators that are calling out alerts and trades that you guys can follow along with that have a specific niche. Okay, if you don't like day trading, cool. We have swing trading specific mods. If you don't like small caps, great. We've got mid cap and large cap mods. If you like options, we've got option mods. Okay, you don't like high volatility, no problem. We've got a low volatility moderator that trades slower moving stocks. There's something in TTG for everyone. Okay, so with that now being said, I think it's time. I think it's time. Are you guys excited? Are you excited? Because I'm excited. I know Adam's excited. It is $30,000 giveaway time, baby. Somebody's life is about to change right now on this live stream in just a couple of minutes because one lucky person is getting a brand new Tesla Model 3 or $30,000 cold, hard cash. Adam, where you at, brother? There he is. Well, look at the wave. Guys, listen up. For those that do not know, right there in the bottom of the screen, in that cute little square, that's Adam. We call him TTG Shug, my business partner, co-founder of True Trading Group. He's going to come on here and he's going to help me give away this Tesla or $30,000 cash. He's going to explain to you guys how the whole process works. Everyone give a big warm shout out and welcome to my man, Adam. What up? Tell him about the Tesla, bro. How we doing this? Talk to me.
All right, all right. What's up, everybody? How's everyone doing tonight? Good, good, great, wonderful, grand.
Grand.
Here, this will be good. I'm trying to put a cap. Woo! It's Tesla or $30,000 giveaway night.
I love these nights. I get so nervous.
I'm happy. Yeah, no, me too. Me too. Mike, put your watch down, dog. Stop stunting on them.
Stop what?
Stop stunting on them with the watch. You know, it's like it's really close up to the screen. You know, you're making me look bad here. You got a green screen, a polo shirt, a LaCroix. Just stop, bro. We get it. We get it. All right, guys. All right, let's do this. All right, so welcome. Tonight we're going to be giving away $30,000 or a Tesla, and the way this works is as follows. Each True Trading Group member has to go ahead or had to go ahead previously and register for this event on our dashboard. They filled out a form. They are required to be on the live stream. They have to be an active, non-canceled member. And when I go ahead, I'm going to, Mike, turn off the screen share that you have. When we go ahead and do our what we use is we use something called Wheel of Names. This is what we use. So let me go ahead and pull this up for everyone right now. Hang on. Cool. Share screen. And there we go. Can you see it?
No.
You can't see it? Ooh, that's not good. Hang on. Oh, I can see it's there. I see it on YouTube. Yep, everyone can see it. All right, so what we're going to do, guys, is we have 2,060 names that have registered for tonight's giveaway. 2,060 names that have registered for tonight's giveaway. I'm going to spin this wheel. A name is going to pop up on this wheel. I am then going to attempt to contact that person. They have to be on the stream. If they are not on, they have 5 minutes total to answer the phone, get in contact with us, and get on the stream. If they are not able to do that within 5 minutes, we go ahead, we skip that person. They remain eligible for future giveaways, and we will go ahead and continue to spin the wheel again for a second time. Okay, that is how this works. This giveaway is approved and licensed with the State of Florida Agricultural and Gaming Commission as well. So I'm excited, man. I mean, every time my cousins are like 5 for 5 right now.
I'm excited, man. I can't wait. Change somebody's life for the better tonight, man. Let's do it. I can't wait.
All right. Hang on. Let me get a little timer out. on my end.
Oh yeah, the 5-minute timer.
The 5-minute timer. All right, and let's do it. Let's do it. I'm getting a bunch of texts now. People like, I didn't know I had to register. I'm like, we've only been talking about it all week.
I know we've been talking about it all week. Next time.
Yeah, hey, look, guys, we do this every time we get to 300 members. This is our 5th time doing this.
Yeah,
5th time doing this. So after today, we will have given out a total of $150,000 to True Trading Group annual members, and a total of $100,000 to True Trading Group lifetime members. So $250,000 we have given out since November.
It's
200, and after tonight, right now it's 220,000, right? But after tonight, it's $250,000 to True Trading Group members since November.
Oh my God. I love you guys. Oh my God.
All right. And guys, we are not stopping anytime soon. Okay. We are not stopping anytime soon. All right. So let's do it, man. I'm going to spin the wheel.
Spin that biatch. Let's do it.
Did you just say spin that biatch?
I did. I'm pumped, man. I can't help it. I'm pumped. I'm excited.
All right, we're gonna spin the wheel. We'll spin that biatch. Hang on. All right, excellent.
Guys. Here we go.
I hate this part. I really hate this part.
I know. I'm so anxious.
All right, let me just get everything I need. Okay, everything's good to go. You ready, Mike?
Yeah, I'm ready. It's crazy. I can be in 30,000 shares of some fast-moving small cap that's halting without a bead of sweat on my forehead. This wheel comes up, and my heart is coming out of my chest. My heart's coming out of my chest.
All right, guys, here we go. I hate this part. All right, here we go. It's going to spin for 40 seconds.
All right, guys, there we go. We are spinning live. 40 seconds, guys. 40 seconds.
All right.
Who's it going to be?
Oh, come on, pick someone.
Come on.
Jemikas Wajira. I cannot pronounce that name. I cannot pronounce that. Congratulations.
Jimkis Wakjira?
Cannot pronounce the name accurately, but this person now 5 minutes on the clock. 5 minutes on the clock.
I can't pronounce that name. Okay. Jamikas? I'm definitely not pronouncing that correctly. You have exactly 5 minutes. Adam, wait, what do they have to contact you?
No, I'm going to contact them. They got 5 minutes. All right.
Okay.
So,
Mike, Adam is calling you right now. You better be by your phone.
All right. Let's do this. Hang on 1 second. All right. I got the number. Okay. Mike, talk to the people while I'm doing this.
Yeah. All right. I'm gonna get so excited. Guys, listen. If you were not included.
Hello.
Oh.
Yes, this is Adam with True Trading Group. How are you?
Oh my God. I win.
Dude, do you have a computer in front of you right now?
I have my phone with me right now.
Okay, so do you have an iPhone?
No, I have a Samsung.
Okay, do you think you can open your computer? Is that possible?
I'm in my cousin's house right now.
Okay. I'm gonna text you a link to, and then what I'd like you to do is click that link, and that you should be able to get on with us. If not, we can do it over the phone. Okay. So hang on. I'm gonna text you a link right now. Okay. All right. Call you right back. Bye.
Awesome.
Excellent. All right. Hang on. He's at his cousin's house. His whole family is there. Everyone's freaking out.
Oh, that's awesome.
Okay,
that's
here we go.
awesome.
Excellent.
Perfect, guys. All right, so we're going to try to get him on the live right now. Adam's going to send him a link, and then that link should be able to pull him right into this live stream so we can come on and we'll be able to get him on here live. Guys, listen, if you were not part of this raffle, like I said, like Adam said before, we do this every time we get 300 new members. So all you need to do is be a annual member of True Trading Group or a lifetime member of True Trading Group, and you will have a chance to register to be included in all of these raffles and giveaways. If you are a trial member, your name is not included in the raffle. Okay. You have to be a full-time Ttg member, and then you'll be able to register for the raffle, and then have a chance to win a Tesla or $30,000 the next time that we do that. So yeah, we've given away now. This makes it almost 250, or was it 200?
No, this is $250,000.
This is 250. Okay, so this makes the quarter.
Oh, he's on.
Oh, we got him. Yes, we got him. Yes, look at him. Yes.
Yo!
What's up?
Oh my God. You know what's crazy is that people still won't believe that you and I are not first cousins.
I know.
Oh,
Yo, what's up, man? Congratulations.
Thank you so much. I was waiting for it. It happened.
Oh, I'm so happy for you, bro. I'm so happy.
Wow.
Dude,
I don't have a word, so you guys can ask me anything.
Oh my God! So okay. So aside, tell us a little bit about like your experience with True Trading Group so far, and then when you're done, confirm to people that you and I are not actually related.
We're not.
Okay.
This is true. We never even chat. You just texted me last time when I was trying for 3 days, for 7 days. You just asked me how's gone, do you like it or something like that. I just say yes, and then I just exit and assign for a year membership. That's all we talked last time. So
yep.
We never talk after that.
How long have you been a member of True Trading Group?
It's been 3 weeks now.
Oh my God, 3 weeks!
Oh my God, 3 weeks!
Brand new. Yeah.
Oh my God. Well, dude, tell wow, 3 weeks, man. Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome. Tell how has the experience in True Trading Group been for you so far? How have things been going? What do you think? How does it feel being part of the family?
It's worth it. It's worth it. I like it so much. I don't have any experience or any knowledge before. So right now, I'm studying. I'm halfway almost. I'm almost done the course.
Nice.
I've been wasting my money for nothing without knowledge before. So this is life change.
Awesome.
So
yeah, it's almost kind of unfair, right? What is he gonna say? He's gonna say, "Oh, you guys kind of suck, but I got a car or a cat."
No, this is reality. One of my friends showed me the YouTube TTG group, and I keep following, and I like it. I told him, "Why you don't join?" He said, "I'm saving money." Okay, I'm gonna join. So I'm just waiting my paycheck next time. So I just joined and start reading, start learning. I joined the group. It's like family. Everybody's telling the truth. They tell you what to do. Don't do it if you don't know. Just don't burn your money. You have to have a knowledge. So that's true. So
awesome.
That's awesome. So what are you gonna do? Are you gonna take the cash, or well, first of all, you're in the United States, right?
Right.
So you have the choice. Yeah. So you have the choice to take the cash or the car.
I like the car, but I don't have money for the insurance that much, so I'll take the cash.
All right, done and done. Done and done. My friend, tomorrow morning, I am going to contact you on your cell phone. I'm going to send you over the regular tax paperwork that needs to be done. Then I will send you a wire immediately to your bank. You will have the money in your account tomorrow. 100%.
All right. Sounds good.
All right.
Thank you so much.
My brother, thank you so much, man. Thank you for coming on, and congratulations, and congratulations of effectively being out of PDT as of tomorrow. So
right.
One more thing. You're being upgraded to a lifetime membership for free.
Wow.
So,
I was about to say I will pay for
No. We're upgrading you for free.
All right. Thank you so much. So
you're very welcome.
For people who's watching right now, TTG is the true group. You can see right now. You can see my accent. We don't have any relative or anything. You can come and learn.
You're doing a great job imitating wherever you're pretending to be from right now. This is fantastic.
Congratulations, man.
Congratulations, man.
Keep going through all the courses. Take your time. Congratulations, man. Adam's gonna hit you up tomorrow, and I will see you in chat, bro. Congratulations again.
Congratulations, man. Thank you, man. God bless.
Here, bro.
Bye.
All right.
Bye.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Man. Oh, that was awesome.
That was really cool.
Awesome. Oh, I love.
Man, I haven't seen my cousin in like 10 years. Fucking people. I bet you some people still talk that shit later on tonight.
Yeah, some people be like, "Oh, it's probably their cousin." Yes.
That guy was definitely my mom's sister's kid.
Yeah, definitely. We're definitely related. That's awesome, man. So we have now officially given away $250,000 to TTG members. Do you have any idea how insane that is?
Bro,
$250,000.
We're averaging.
We have given away to TTG members.
We're averaging giving away $60,000 a month.
Bro, I just see I just feel so blessed to even be in a position to do that, to be in a position to literally help change someone's life for the better like that. But I just feel so, I'm like, so that's why I get so overwhelmed when we do this stuff, because just having the opportunity to do that for our members makes me happy. But it's like, and then I just get this whole flow of emotions where I'm like, yeah, giving 30 grand to somebody can literally change someone's life. And that's incredible. But then giving somebody the education that could potentially change their life for the better, that gets me just as emotional. And I just start to think about like what it is that we are actually doing here in True Trading Group, and the family that we are creating, the relationships that we are building, the platform that we have created to help the average everyday person actually learn this skill. I like to see the reaction on people's faces when we bring a member on and they're telling their story, or, we bring a member on, they're talking about their success or their struggles or their life story. To bring somebody on that we just gave 30 grand to, like, this stuff. See, Adam, nobody else, or like, it's very, very rare that people are able to make a living doing something this meaningful.
It's all fake.
It's all fake. They're all my cousin.
Right. It's all fake.
They're all
look, it is an absolute gift, man. It's a gift. I know that you and I talk about all the time. TTG is really done well, and it's caught on as a business and everything else. And look, it's a testament to what it is that we're doing with our members, to actually giving a shit about people. to actually giving a shit about people. Today, for example, this is the first time that we've ever asked people to register for one of these giveaways because we want people to be able to come on a live stream and talk about it after they win. It's important, right? So what happens is that, this afternoon, just to make sure that everyone was good, even though we sent out emails and I had midday, conversations and workshops with people on how to register for this, like multiple times this week, on my Sunday today, I literally went ahead from 12 something in the afternoon or 1 o'clock in the afternoon, all the way till the time we started the live stream, and invited everyone that was confused or didn't understand what we needed to do to come into chat so I can talk to them and confirm one by one that they were good to go.
Right. Yeah.
That's not a requirement of mine. That's not something I had to do, but I wanted to do it because I want everyone, and that's just not this example, the hundreds of DMs that you answered during the day, because unlike other groups, we don't charge people for access to Mike or to the other traders. We give it to you as part of your membership. We genuinely want you to do well. Yeah. Why do we want you to do well? Because look, you want to say, oh, Mike, are you a saint? I'm not a saint. Are you a saint? No. We want you guys to do well, because the better you guys do, the better we do as a business, and because we give a shit.
Yeah.
That's why. That's the truth. We spent, the little bit of money we spend on marketing, the giveaways that we do, all that stuff is great, because at the end of the day, this is a business, right? However, the true measure of what it is that we do is based upon your success. If you guys are not doing well, then we suck as a company.
Facts. True, man. Very true.
All right, that's all I got for this evening.
Yeah, man. Here, and just to kind of just to add on top of that, let me ask, because like we said, the giveaways and everything are awesome, right? They're a lot of fun. I love doing it, but really, guys, I mean, TTG, it's all about the platform that you have access to, all of the tools, the resources, the education, the mentorship, the workshops, the webinars, the courses, everything, the chat room, the alerts, the DM, everything, the video library, everything you guys have access to. That's what TG is all about. And listen, we've given away $250,000 to members so far, which is just mind blowing. I didn't even realize it was that much already, but that's insane. And I just feel
I'm going for $1 million at the end of the year.
Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah. Nothing would make me happier. Nothing would make me happier to do that. And I just but again, to reiterate, guys, the giveaways are awesome. The education is where it's at. The education where it's at. And to be able to change people's lives for the better, I can't even describe to you all the feeling that gives me. And just to let me see. So I want to see something right now, guys. All of my TG members that are on the live stream right now. Okay. All of you that are on the live stream right now, I want you to sound off in chat right now if you are a better trader today because of True Trading Group. If you are a better trader because of True Trading Group, I want to know. I want you to sound off in chat right now, because this is the stuff that really gets me. Honestly, it gets me going. Seriously. And I think it's important for other people that are on the live that maybe aren't teaching members, that they're like, oh, I want a chance to win 30 grand. It's cool. And it's a lot of fun. Believe me, it's a lot of fun, but don't sign up to True Trading Group just because you guys want a chance to win 30 grand. Sign up to True Trading Group because you want to finally get an education to develop a skill set that could potentially help you change the course and the rest of your life. That's why you should sign up for True Trading, because you want to actually take the time and the energy and the effort to go through the courses to try to become a better trader. Guys, trading is not easy. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. You have to be willing to put in the time, energy, and effort to actually try to learn this skill. You have to be willing to put in the time, energy, and effort to learn this skill. So that's why it's important. I want you guys to see the members that are commenting in chat that have become better traders because of that because of, the platform and everything that we provide to you guys with. So, wow, look at all you guys commenting. I love you all, man. I love you all so much. I can't wait to get back and chat tomorrow and kick some ass and make some money with you guys. I can't wait. I really can't wait. Guys, now listen. So now what I want to see now, I want to know now, okay, who is not a member of True Trading Group? So now I want to know, type the letters TTG in chat right now if you're not a member of True Trading Group. If you're not a member, type TTG. I want to know how many people are on here that are not members of True Trading Group, because you guys obviously don't know. You guys obviously, are not part of the TTG fam. So I want to know how many of you are not TTG. All right, we got, let's see, Sam, Carter, Jade, Dave Nealon, Michael L, Sean House, Matt Miller, Roland, Isaac, BP, Lori T, MG Sunrise, Camille Nielsen, SR20, V Wolf, Deborah Mueller, Mike V, Deandra O'Donohue. Oh, Wicked Bully just signed up. Wicked Bully, welcome to the family. Everybody give a big warm welcome to Wicked Bully. Just joined the TTG family. We got Luis says, Raj Office, Charles Mowry, James Nee Goodhart, Elias Carter, Bernard Buford, Sean Harris, his first time joining the TTG live stream. Sean Harris, welcome, brother. Subscribe, turn on those notifications. We got AO Kobe. Oh my God, your name is AO. If your name is AO, you've got to be part of True Trading Group. That's like our thing. AO, my TTG fam, sound off. AO. What up? Matthew Chu, John Sadia, Samuel Robinson, Ifua Boss, then Stand Up channel. What's good? James McDaniel, Ben J. Harris, Jason McKellar, Jaz Bra, Michael Zuber. Beautiful, guys. This is awesome. A lot of non-TTG members. A lot of non-TTG members, guys. Welcome. Listen, all of you that are not members of True Trading Group that did not have a chance, obviously, to be included in this Tesla $30,000 giveaway, we are already 50% of the way there to our next Tesla $30,000 giveaway. Okay. Again, all you got to do is be a member of True Trading Group and you will have a chance to register for the next Tesla $30,000 giveaway. Okay. We're 50% of the way there. All right. We are 50% of the way there for our next $30,000 or Tesla giveaway. Hold on, guys. All right. So like I said, we are 50% of the way there. All you guys have to do, if you guys want to be included in the next Tesla, okay, or $30,000 giveaway, guys, I'm telling you guys now, all you got to do is be a member of True Trading Group. Okay. And then you guys will have a chance to enter that raffle. All right. But listen, all of you that type T, no one, I mean, literally no one is going to do the work for you. Okay. Like I said, trading is not a get rich quick scheme. You've got to be willing to put in the time, energy, and effort in order to really try to learn this skill. It's not easy. You hear all the stories about, you hear probably 90% of traders fail. And that stat is probably true, but it's because a lot of people don't actually know what they're doing before they start trading with real money. Okay. So you guys have to be willing to put in some time, energy, and effort in order to give yourself a chance to be successful at this. And it all starts with having the right education, tools, community, mentorship, and resources to help you learn, trade, and profit. There's a reason why our slogan is learn, trade, profit in that order, because you do not trade, profit, and then learn. You learn first, then you trade, and then profit. That's the order in which our slogan is, and that's for a very specific reason. When you guys join True Trading Group, a one-year membership is normally $2,212 for the year, but on this live stream, you can use coupon code TTG121 to get a 38% discount. That's going to bring the price of our membership for you all the way down to just $1,367 until midnight tonight. After midnight tonight, the price goes up by a few bucks and will continue to go up every 24-hour period as we work our price back up towards that $2,000 mark. So take advantage of that coupon code right here tonight on this live stream before the price goes up at midnight. There are no upsells. There's no add-ons. Everything we have, you get access to, and everything we ever will have, all of our courses, all of our resources, all of our tools, there's no upsells. Okay. There's no upsells, and we do not have a monthly plan. We don't have a monthly plan because 1 month is not enough time for you to go through all the resources, go through all the tools, okay, go through all the courses, go through the video library, attend a private study group, use the simulator. 1 month is not enough time. That's first and foremost. Second reason we don't have a monthly membership is because myself and the entire TeachD fam and all of our moderators give you 110% of our time, energy, and effort to help you guys become the best traders that you possibly can be. We give you 110% of our time. And if you're not going to give me that same energy and effort back, I'm sorry, there's a long list of traders that are willing to do so. So I'm not going to give 110% of my time and energy if you're not willing to give me that back. So we do not have a monthly membership. It is a year membership, or we do have a lifetime membership also, but that is not available for everyone. Okay, our lifetime membership spots are limited. We limit the certain number of spots each quarter that we offer, but they are for TeachD members only. You have to join True Trading Group as an annual member first, and then if you want to upgrade to a lifetime, you can. But if you're not a member, you cannot just sign up straight for a lifetime upgrade, a lifetime membership. I saw somebody was commenting, how much is a lifetime membership? It's only for annual members first. Okay. Some people might think, listen, $1,367, it's a lot of money. And if you think that it's a lot of money, I want you guys to think again, because before I get into what you're actually going to get access to, TTG is a lot more than just a trading service. It's not just a chat room and trade alerts. You're not paying $13.67 just to get trade alerts. Okay, it's an entire platform. And before I get into everything that's included with that membership, I want to know how many of my TTG members have already made back their subscription. So if you're a TTG member and you've already made your membership fee back, sound off in chat right now. I want members, or viewers, I should say, that are not yet members. I want them to know how many of my TTG fam have already made that membership fee back. If you're not a member, pay attention to the comments that are coming through in chat right now, guys, because the best way for you to tell if TTG is right for you is to listen to your peers. The people that are commenting right now, there's no difference between them and you. They found True Trading Group on a live stream, similar to like you did. They probably watched a couple of times. They tuned in. They decided to join the group. They got a discount on the live stream. They signed up and they went through the courses. They implemented the education that they learned. They implemented in their trading, and they've made that membership feedback. Pay attention to the comments that they are posting here in chat, because there is absolutely no difference between them and you. If they can do it, there's no reason why you can't. You saw how many of my members work full-time jobs. You saw, a lot of my members, they have a lot of different things going on in their lives, a lot of different responsibilities. They're doing it. There's no reason why you can't either. When you guys become a trader, you have to think of it this way. You're the ultimate entrepreneur. I don't know many places or many other businesses that you can start where you can invest $13.67 in yourself to get education and get access to resources and tools, and then start making money maybe with $500 after that, because you're essentially starting your own business as a trader for less than $2,000. That's what you're doing when you guys become a trader and you sign up to True Trading Group. You're starting your business for less than $2,000. You're the ultimate entrepreneur, and we will help give you the tools and resources to help you build that business up. In True Trading Group, we take the top premium trading tools and products and we bundle them together as part of your membership. I told you, it's a lot more than just a chat room and trade alerts. Okay. As a member of True Trading Group, you will have access to Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed that gives you live breaking to the second news alerts directly inside of our chat room. Directly inside of our chat room, you'll get those news alerts. There's also a squawk box feature that lets you turn on your speakers and listen to the news headlines as they come across the wire as someone reads them out loud to you. You'll also get quote streams, real-time level 1, real-time full book level 2, real-time options data included with a trade simulator that lets you trade stocks and options with fake money while you practice implementing what you learn in the courses, practice implementing that in the simulator before you start trading with real money. Prove to yourself that you can be successful on a simulator first before you start trading with your hard-earned money. You're also going to get access to Trade Ideas real-time preset scanner that is streamed directly to members during the day that shows you stocks making new highs, stocks that are having unusual volume burst, your top gainers on the day, helps you identify where you need to be focusing your attention and what stocks you should be trading. You also have access to TradingView's pro charting software with real-time streaming data, one of the most popular, commonly used charting softwares amongst active traders today. You have access to totally for free, included in your membership. All of these features and tools are included in your membership. No additional fee, no additional charge. You guys are going to get a minimum 10 easy to follow, actionable real-time trade alerts per week from a community of traders that is currently sporting over an 80% win rate. We are fully transparent in True Trading Group. We keep an entire trading log and journal on our website that shows you every one of our buys, every one of our sells, all the winning trades, all the losing trades, all the break evens are available on the website for you to see and for you to track all of our moderators' performance, so you can see, how you would have done had you been following along with some of these trades. Included with your membership will also be access to a small private study group with one of our TTG moderators. It's a small private study group with a handful of members where you can ask questions, go over specific lessons, okay, and cover certain topics that you need help with. You also get access to the entire curriculum. There's no upsells. Like I said, guys, you get access to the entire curriculum. That's a 15-course curriculum that includes beginner and foundation courses, advanced courses, option courses, swing trading courses, trader psychology, how to trade during a market crash. There's even a course that helps you guys do your taxes. You get access to all of them. There are no VIP special courses that cost more money. When you sign up to True Trading, you get access to everything we have. No upsells. The courses are in text and video format, whichever is easier for you to learn. Then, in addition to the courses, you'll get access to our video library. It has over 100 hours of additional educational video content that's recorded workshops and webinars that myself and the other moderators have conducted covering various trading topics. To name a few: how to turn a $500 account into $25K, how to trade successfully while working a full-time job, how to resist FOMO and have confidence pulling the trigger. Just a couple. Oh, and our Weedapalooza, which was just yesterday. Our Weedapalooza will be uploaded in that video library here, maybe probably by tomorrow. That will be uploaded up onto the website as well. So all of these things you have access to as a member of True Trading Group, and just access in general to all the moderators. You have the ability to send private messages and direct messages to myself and the other moderators throughout the day and ask us questions. Okay. For those of you that were saying that $13.67 sounds like a lot of money, I want you guys to think again, because the Benzinga newsfeed that's included with your membership, Benzinga charges $1,188 a year for that service. It's included with your membership. Real-time level 1, full book level 2, that would cost you $990 a year. It's included with your membership. TradingView's pro charting software, that's $720 a year. That's included with your membership. And then a trade simulator is $750 a year. That's $3,648 of additional premium services and products that are included for free with your membership when you sign up with coupon code TTG121 and get the cost all the way down to just $1,367. And anyone that signs up tonight by midnight will get a free brand new laptop. It'll either be an Asus, HP, Acer, Dell, Lenovo, or Chromebook. And yes, we are even going to cover the shipping. It is our gift to you for joining the TTG family. Completely free. Again, you will get a brand new laptop, an Asus, HP, Acer, Dell, Lenovo, or Chromebook, and we will cover the shipping. Anyone that signs up with coupon code TTG121 by midnight tonight. So let's recap. By using coupon code TTG121, you're going to get a 38% discount. You're going to get a brand new laptop. You're going to get access to $3,600 worth of additional premium services and products included for free. You're going to get our entire course curriculum. You're going to have access to our mobile app. You're also going to now have access to the next Tesla $30,000 giveaway, which is probably going to be happening in the second week of March at the pace that we're going. We're already 50% of the way there. We're already 50% of the way there. Every time that we get 300 new members in TTG, we raffle off a brand new Tesla or $30,000 cash like we did here tonight. And if you are a member with this coupon code, you can now register for the next Tesla giveaway. Give yourself a chance to win 30 grand or a brand new Tesla. We're already 50% of the way there. And I'm going to go one step further, because anyone that signs up tonight, I'm going to prove to you how much that I believe that if you put in some energy and effort, that this can work for you. This is what I'm willing to do. I said this to you earlier on the live stream, and I will reiterate it again. If you sign up with that coupon code by midnight and go through all our courses, pass all the quizzes, and attend one of our private study groups, if you do those three things, okay, if you do those things and still don't make back the $1,367 at least one time throughout the year of your membership, I will give you all of your money back. I'll give you a full refund. That's how confident I am that if you put in some work, this can work for you. I see the success that my members are having. If my members were not having success, I would not be able to offer you the money back guarantee. It's just that simple. I'd be a complete idiot to offer you a money back guarantee if my members weren't doing well. So now I've just basically covered your membership cost. The ball's in your court now. So by using coupon code THD121 by midnight, you'll lock in that $1,367 price point. The price goes up at midnight. You're going to get a money back guarantee. You'll have a chance to win a Tesla or 30 grand. You're going to get a free laptop. Use that coupon code before midnight tonight. You've got 2 hours left to use that coupon code to get everything that I just mentioned to you for just $1,367. And then again, don't forget, anyone that's still unsure, we do have that 7-day trial. Go to ttgthree.com. It's a one-time payment of $3. That's it. No reoccurring payment, no auto renew, none of that. Okay. You can upgrade to a full membership at any time during that trial, but you're under no obligation to do so. Now, as a trial member, you will not get that $1,367 price point. You will not get the free laptop. Okay. You guys will not be able to join the next Tesla giveaway unless you upgrade to a full-time member. All right. But if you want to try TTG out for 7 days, you'll get 7 days on our dashboard, 3 days in chat, and 3 sample trial courses for just $3, less than a cup of coffee. Literally, it's less than a cup of coffee. Okay. You guys can do so by going to ttgthree.com. But for those of you that are ready to join the team full time, you want to lock in that $1,367 price point. You want the free laptop. You want the money back guarantee. You want a chance to win a Tesla or 30 grand. Use that coupon code tonight by midnight before the price goes up. Again, that's TTG121. Guys, thank you for joining me tonight on this live stream. I love all of you. Congratulations. Okay, on our, I think this is our 5th Tesla $30,000 winner. I believe it's our 5th. It's our 5th Tesla winner. We also do another giveaway when we get 150 new lifetime members. That's $50,000 and a Porsche. Or a Porsche, $50,000 or a Porsche when we do the lifetime giveaway. But this was our 5th Tesla 30K giveaway, which now makes a grand total of $250,000 that we have given away to TTG members. And we are 50% of the way there for our next one. Okay, for our next one. Anyone that's interested in a lifetime membership, okay, anyone that's interested in a lifetime membership, we will have more information on lifetime memberships coming up this Tuesday. Thank you for joining me tonight, guys, on this live stream. You are the best. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on those notifications. Of course, smash that like button. I'll see you guys all in chat tomorrow. We'll look to kick the week off right. Take care, guys. Have a